So you're not addicted to alcohol, but when you drink, you have to black out. You don't even crave alcohol, you don't even think about it, but when you do, your mission is to forget that yesterday even happened. This is why people do that. If you're new to drinking alcohol, maybe you're just curious. Drinking yourself into that limbo state of oblivion is a whole new experience. Do you have trouble entertaining yourself? People that get bored easily tend to drink just a little too much to make things more exciting. You can't be bored if you can't remember that you're boring. Peer pressure is incredibly common. If you drink with a group of people, just one more drink can push you over the edge. Just a little bit of beer pressure could put you into a state where you forget that you even exist. Some people have super low self-esteem, so attention seeking is also super common. Whether you're trying to fit in with a certain group of people or you just want a crazy story to tell, letting people know how much alcohol you could drink without dying, it's pretty cool, huh? On that topic, a lot of people think that blacking out is cool, that alcoholism is a trend, and they drink specifically to say that they can do it too. But then there's people who literally lack impulse control. Some people will call that willpower, but that's not always the case, because some people have ADHD and one drink is too many and 1,000 isn't enough. They think that more alcohol means more dopamine, so they drink until they forget that they exist. Some people just need to escape. You don't have to be addicted to alcohol to want to escape your reality. That emptiness or that numbness is just a vacation from all of those problems. Some people were raised in chaotic environments and sensation seeking is very popular. I hurt myself to see if I still bleed. That sensation of feeling out of control is a trauma response. On that same theme, blacking out is self-destructive and self-sabotaging behavior. Drinking specifically to black out is self-harm. Because drinking to see if you could handle a blackout is also testing to see if you're immune to death. The most common reason why people drink specifically to black out is trauma. Sometimes trauma isn't what happened to you, but it's what didn't happen to you. So, someone may drink to escape the thoughts or the emotions of a traumatic experience. Or the emptiness of a blackout could symbolize how people didn't show up for you. That blackout and that emptiness is a call for help.